Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We're making slime with Johnny. And I got those accessories.
Hello friends, we are making clear slime. Okay Lola, you want to tell your friend the ingredients?
Yeah, we got two bowls and 2 chopsticks, and we got food coloring, baking soda, and
contact solution
and glue.
And glue. Good job Lola.
So Johnny's gonna help me
Today.
and who is Johnny?
right over there.
Yay!
Yay! Okay. So this recipe is actually based on somebody. She's a YouTuber. Her name is Karina Garcia. We're using this recipe because we found that it has like the best consistency. The slime stretches the most. So props to her recipe. So we're gonna show you guys how to make this super duper slime. Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
Go! So
Like
first ingredient.
A little bit.
Johnny's
Little
gonna pour some
bit,
clear
a lot.
glue into Lola's bowl.
Done. Okay, that's enough.
So that's the first ingredient.
Put a little bit. I'm gonna do this, okay?
And also from her video, it was suggested that the baking soda, we're gonna use a water mixture, warm water mixture to not even dilute, to dissolve the baking soda first. So that's the next ingredient that's going into the
Do a
bowl.
little, a lot.
Start mixing it.
Oh, you spilled some.
That's fine. Go.
All of it?
Some of it.
Some of it. A little
There.
bit.
Okay, start mixing.
Okay guys, start mixing.
Slowly.
Why slow?
So it won't get bubbles.
Oh.
Because you see yours has bubbles already?
Let's see bubbles. Now we are gonna add some contact solution.
Contact solution. Just that a lot. Can we do faster? Can we do fast?
Yeah.
Fast.
Lola, are you excited?
Yeah.
Start mixing it, Lola.
Do it again, let me see. Oh, already?
So sparkly.
Oh, it's a clear slime, so look at
Look
how
at his.
stretchy it is
Look at
already.
his.
So the cool thing about this
Oh,
recipe
you
is
splash on me.
you could be a little bit
You
generous.
splash on me. I don't mix
It allows you to adjust how much you
I'm gonna
put,
mix it, okay?
like the
You hold
contact
it.
solution that we're using, instead of other recipes like with white glue. We've noticed that this particular slime slimes and stretches a lot. Versus other slime we've made before, it clumps up and it doesn't stretch as well. So this one really gives us flexibility and fun. Look at all that. Look at Johnny stretching that slime. And we're gonna do other things. Like you could add color to it and even
I want
scents.
the color now.
We're gonna make it smell good even. So
We
stay
can
tuned.
This one slime.
Okay, so how's it going,
More of
guys?
this here.
I don't know how much.
Alright, we're still adjusting
You
our
see my
slime.
own slime, right? This
How
one?
much is too much?
Look at this slime.
And Brother Daniel came to help.
Oh, look at he's stretching it and stretching it. We're still trying to work
Look at this slime.
a consistency here.
Boys and girls, look at this one.
Cool. You made that earlier?
Yep.
Alright. Okay, we're gonna continue making
Still
slime.
sticks here.
Okay, Johnny's slime looks ready. Let's see if he will stretch it out.
We need food coloring.
Look at
Look at how far it stretches. That's what we're talking about.
honey.
Our love for this recipe. Okay, I'm gonna wait for Lola to finish hers and Daniel. And then we're gonna add colors. Okay, so Lola's gonna add color to hers right now. And she chose blue. So go ahead, Lola, mix it up.
Johnny's over there having trouble with his slime.
And Johnny, what color are you gonna add to yours? Oh, you're gonna do glitter.
What's glitter?
What's glitter?
But glitter glue?
No,
Or
glitter.
glue?
Okay, this is the up close and personal blue slime. Oh, look at that.
That's a lot.
Johnny's gonna do red
I
slime
don't
right
want
now.
to do everything a lot of.
Softer now.
Daniel's got a yellow one over here.
Goodness, looks like a golden nugget.
It's like
Cool. Oh, it's really yellow.
I love glue. I don't want gloves.
Let me put it over here.
Is it stretchy though?
So stretchy.
I thought that was.
It looks like lava. Look at how it stretches.
Mommy, I'm gonna make another one now.
Everybody wants to make a new one.
I'm done.
Yay, good job, Lola. You're done. Let me see your slime. Look at how stretchy they are. Makes it stretchy. I don't
You need
know.
more of this? Is still sticking or good?
A
little bit, not that much.
It looks
Put the
like
color in there
ice cream swirl on a cone.
so you can mix it.
You just
That's why he likes orange.
Is that a lot? That's fine.
I think I added too much glue.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Okay, everyone, now that we have all these slime, why don't we learn about colors together? Purple, blue, green, orange, yellow, brown, red. Okay guys, we're gonna wrap up and continue playing slime.
Yeah, we're gonna play slime still.
Say goodbye to your friends.
Bye.
If you liked our video, please hit that like
Subscribe.
and subscribe.
And get a bell button. Subscribe.
Hit that bell button and make it white. Have a good night. Bye.
Bye. You can do rainbow like all of the colors, like poppies, rainbow, like everything just have rainbow and rainbow and rainbow, everything in Grandma's
Blast
birthday.
it?
So Lola, how does this slime feel?
Oh my god.
So sticky.
So sticky. I see happy birthday. I see happy birthday banners up there. What's going on?
That was Grandma's birthday.
Grandma's birthday. We're gonna wish her another happy birthday.
How old is she, Grandma? How old is she, Lola?
Oh. It's green and blue. So these both are my favorite colors. I love rainbow.
Okay. Look at this slime over there. Ooh.
And that's
So Lola, so what do you think? Do you like making slime?
yeah.
It's fun now.
Look at my slime.
Wow.
Stop.
Watch. Move your hand.
Hey, my brother Johnny's gonna help me.
My brother's gonna help me, Johnny.